My name's Fox. My name's Addie. My name is May. My name is Jessica. 100 days in school is crazy. Love. Bonkers. Nevada. Hope you guys enjoyed this little mini trailer. It's going to be better, hopefully. Hopefully. Okay guys, bye! You're going to see me again in 100 days in school. See you! Oh, there. The series is still in work mode, so yeah. It's not going to be best, but I'm still working on it. So guys, don't get mad. But anyways, bye guys!